Continuing with our field research, today we have the possibility to talk to Adrià, Head of Innovation and Entrepreneurship at the Mobile World Capital Barcelona, one of the really important companies that are somehow fostering the digital transformation of not only like the economy, but most important, the society. Good morning, Adrià. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you very much for the invitation.
We are here at the Mobile World Capital Barcelona, and you are responsible of?
I'm responsible of a startup incubator based on the high tech. So my responsibility is in creating and pushing a new program based on, because in Catalonia you have really good research, really good technology, but there is a lack of a way to market these technologies. So we have created an incubator that we took those technologies and create products and then business out of these technologies.
So you're fostering entrepreneurship here in Barcelona?
That's right. We define ourselves as a true agent of change. So we promote the creation of new services and products that improve people's life. But these products and services should be around technology, because we really believe that technology is the main driver of transformation of the society.
I heard like 2 days ago in one conference about like the 4 years from now, which is also like an initiative that you do here. Can you explain a bit more in detail what's going on there and what's like the objective? What does it mean also like for the society, population, and interaction between like all the peers involved?
That's right. So 4 years from now was an event born 2 years ago, and the intention we had is that we wanted to open the Mobile World Congress itself. You know, Mobile World Congress is one of the biggest platforms as a business show, right? But the thing is that they are super close. It's an event itself and it's close. And we wanted to open the doors to new entrepreneurs and new opportunities. And this is why we created an external event called 4 Years From Now with this visionary, concept. Not that much vision, just 4 years from now. And it was a platform of conferences, of workshops, super devoted to startups and entrepreneurs, right? We began understanding what is an entrepreneur, what is a Mobile Congress, what do they need, what is the right relationship among them, right? What can we leverage from the Mobile Congress? And we defined year by year, we have only 2 years, but super startup alike, crafting small products, small value propositions, testing it, Also in our marketing strategies, we really wanted to understand if what we are really doing was worth to the entrepreneur. And we are really, really happy. So for us, it's more than an event. It's like a brand, right? It's like a business platform. We are traveling around the globe. We have been in Tel Aviv. We will be in London. We will be here in Barcelona in another event, because we really believe that entrepreneurs has a lot to say in the different industries. This is why we create the 4 Years From Now, and it will continue from now on. And for us, it's the flagship initiative today.
As my colleague at IED Barcelona, what is your experience, like the fusion that we always try, education with the industry, exactly like with the same objective to foster creativity and entrepreneurship? What's your experience?
I totally love it, and I think it's required to like this, right? The way I understand it is innovation is not just a set of methodologies and tools, right? It's more than that. It's an attitude, right? It's a behavior, and it's something that EID does it really good, because it's super transversal in all the masters. So in my experience as a professor, I really see the change in the students, right? So they enter with their own backgrounds, and at the end, they are completely changed. They have, in their DNA, they have the innovator's DNA, which is the truest. For me, is the most important thing. It's not just, hey, I know how to do this methodology or that methodology, but the behavior, the way you tackle, you get in front of problems and you solve them. For me, it's the most important thing.
Adrià, last question. Like the courses that you're taking part of at IED Barcelona, what are like your roles and responsibilities there?
I collaborate in the lecture of business modeling, because innovation is not always from the product or service perspective. So for me, the most disruptive innovation comes from the business model itself. It's changing the rules of the game, right? Because you could have an excellent product, but with a standard business model, then you are competing. But if you are changing the business model, you change the rules of competition. This is why we really want to teach business modeling inside these courses.
And that's what you mentioned when you said, okay, in the end, when they graduate, they have like the DNA of innovators, more than like typical design students. Thank you very much.